Our spacious living room. You can roam freely around the area. This is our kitchen area. As you can see, it's second master bedroom. As you can see, it is spacious enough that you can. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Myself Aishwarya, and today I'll be giving you a sample flat tour of Reva by Kavyaratna Group located in Gift City, Gandhinagar. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location, and right behind me is the actual sales office. And now let me show you the neighborhood. So the road of the left hand side and right hand side both leads you to Gift City Road. So now before we move further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where home buyers are directly connected with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, then your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads you to endless calling. But here in Housey, you are directly connected with the developer because your listings are done by the developer and not brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today directly with Housey. So let's start. First one is project overview. This project is being developed on 5,722 square meter of land parcel, featuring 2 towers with 2 basement plus ground floor plus 34 floors, having 1 and 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 4.5 duplex BHK premium residences. Now coming to the location part. This project is located on block number 46B, B and C, Gift City, Gandhinagar, with the distance of Gift City Metro Station 300 meter, Lilavati Hospital 100 meter and D-Mart 200 meter. Here you get access to 35 plus luxurious amenities like swimming pool, gym, indoor games, multi-purpose hall, kids play area and many more. So now I'm giving you a sample flat tour of 2 BHK with a carpet area of 750 square feet. So this is our entrance, and here you get this wooden door, and as we enter, here you get this spacious vestibule area. So now let me show you our spacious living room. So this is our spacious living room. You can roam freely around the area, and as you can see here, you can set your sofa like this or in L shape. Now let me show you our dining area. So on this side of corner, you can set your dining table. Easily 4 to 5 family members can sit together and have lunch and dinner. And on this side of wall, you can set your TV unit just like this. Or you want to design differently, that will be completely your choice. Now let me show you our kitchen area. So this is our kitchen area. As you can see, it's spacious enough. And here you get this straight kitchen platform, and here you can set your lower cabinets, and here you can make your upper cabinets, and here also you can make your upper cabinets. So now let me show you our wash area. So this will be your wash area, and you get this washing machine point also. Now let me show you our first master bedroom. So there is a butterfly concept they have made here. So this side, this is our first master bedroom, and as you can see, it is very spacious. You can roam freely in your bedroom area, and here you can set your bed just like this. And on this side, you get the space specially for the wardrobe. Here you can set your wardrobe, and here you get this big window also for ventilation. So on this side of wall, you can, if you want to design a TV unit, then you can, that will be your choice. And on this side of corner, you can make a study table just like this. Now let me show you our attached washroom area. So this is our attached washroom. Here you get antiseptic tiles and modern fittings. So now let me show you our second master bedroom. But before moving towards our second master bedroom, let me introduce you with the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with actual location tour, with sample flat videos and actual flat videos, with payment schemes and EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are under Housey.com itself. So register yourself for free and book free site visit today. Now let's enter towards our second master bedroom. So this is our spacious second master bedroom. As you can see, it is spacious enough that you can roam freely around the area, and here on this side you can set your bed just like this, and on this wall you can make a cabinet like this, and here you get this big window for ventilation, and you get a better view over this window. So now let me show you our attached washroom area. So this is our attached washroom, and here you get antiseptic tiles and modern fittings. So there is a one thing here in living room. So there is a spacious balcony over here, but currently some work is going under, so I can't show you right now. So everyone, this was the complete sample flat tour of the project Reva by Kaviratna Group, located in Gandhinagar, Gift City. So if you are looking for more details of this project, then you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.